Finding the perfect moisturizer for your face can be challenging, especially when you want something natural, effective, and gentle. Dryness, irritation, and uneven texture can make your skin feel uncomfortable, and chemical-heavy products often worsen the problem. That's why natural moisturizers are a game changer. They nourish, hydrate, and protect your skin without harsh additives. In this video, we'll explore the best natural face moisturizers, covering number 5 top picks that hydrate, soothe, and restore your skin's health naturally. Let's dive into the ultimate solutions for soft, glowing skin. Kicking off our list at number 1, Burt's Bees Daily Moisturizer. The Burt's Bees Daily Moisturizer is a natural, lightweight face cream designed to hydrate and refresh skin without clogging pores or causing irritation. Made with natural ingredients, it targets dryness while maintaining the skin's healthy barrier, making it ideal for daily use on all skin types. Its gentle formula delivers nourishment and helps balance moisture levels, leaving skin soft, smooth, and comfortable throughout the day. Key features: this moisturizer contains white tea extract, known for its antioxidant properties, and aloe vera for soothing hydration. Vitamin E helps protect against environmental stressors, while botanical oils replenish moisture naturally. It is free of parabens, phthalates, and artificial fragrances, ensuring safety for sensitive or reactive skin. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. Benefits and usage: Burt's Bees Daily Moisturizer helps restore hydration, reduce dryness, and improve overall skin texture. To use, apply a small amount to cleansed face and neck in the morning and evening. The natural antioxidants protect skin against daily environmental aggressors, while the emollient-rich formula keeps it soft and supple. Daily application ensures long-lasting moisture and a healthy glow. Usability: its smooth, creamy texture spreads easily and is suitable for layering under sunscreen or makeup. The pump-free tube allows precise dispensing, and the fragrance-free formula ensures minimal irritation. It works well for normal, combination, and sensitive skin, making it versatile and user-friendly. Durability: one tube lasts several months with regular use. The natural ingredients remain stable over time, and the moisturizer maintains its texture and efficacy. With consistent application, users report improved hydration, reduced dryness, and healthier-looking skin. In the second spot, we have Acure Brightening Day Cream. The Acure Brightening Day Cream is a natural, vegan moisturizer designed to hydrate, protect, and brighten dull or uneven skin. Formulated with plant-based ingredients, it nourishes the skin while promoting radiance, making it a standout option for anyone seeking an eco-friendly and effective daily moisturizer. Key features: key ingredients include chlorella and argan oil, which hydrate, repair, and protect against environmental stressors. Vitamin C derived from plant sources brightens and evens out skin tone, while aloe vera soothes and calms irritation. The cream is free from parabens, sulfates, synthetic fragrances, and GMOs, offering a clean, gentle formulation. Benefits and usage: Acure Brightening Day Cream hydrates and softens skin while reducing the appearance of dullness and uneven texture. Apply a small amount to the face and neck each morning after cleansing. It can be layered under makeup or sunscreen, and daily use helps improve skin tone, enhance radiance, and maintain balanced moisture levels throughout the day. Usability: the lightweight, non-greasy cream absorbs quickly and leaves a soft matte finish. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and combination skin, and can be used as a base for makeup. The tube packaging allows hygienic application, and the pleasant natural scent adds to the skincare experience. Durability: one tube provides several months of use with daily application. The formulation remains stable over time, ensuring consistent results. With continued use, skin appears smoother, brighter, and well-hydrated, making it a reliable long-term addition to any natural skincare routine. Coming in at number 3 is the Weleda Skin Food. The Weleda Skin Food is a rich, deeply nourishing cream formulated for extremely dry, rough, or mature skin. Made with natural plant extracts, it delivers intense hydration and supports skin regeneration, making it a versatile moisturizer for face, hands, and other dry areas. Its thick, balm-like texture provides long-lasting comfort and protects against environmental stressors while promoting a healthy, soft complexion. Key features. Key ingredients include calendula, chamomile, and pansy extracts, which soothe, calm, and promote skin healing. Sunflower seed oil and lanolin provide deep hydration, while beeswax helps protect the skin barrier. The formula is free of synthetic fragrances, dyes, and preservatives, ensuring safety for sensitive skin. Its versatile texture can be used as a day or night cream. Benefits and usage. Weleda Skin Food intensely nourishes and revitalizes dry, flaky skin. Apply a small amount to cleanse skin as needed, focusing on dry areas. It softens rough patches, enhances elasticity, and protects skin from environmental stressors. Regular use restores natural softness and provides lasting moisture, making it ideal for harsh climates or dehydrated skin. Usability. The thick, creamy consistency melts into the skin while providing a protective barrier. It can be used on face, hands, elbows, or cuticles. The balm texture allows layering under lighter creams or serums for added hydration. Its natural scent is subtle and calming, making it enjoyable to use in daily routines. Durability. A small amount goes a long way due to the rich consistency. One jar lasts several months with regular use, maintaining its effectiveness and hydration properties. It's a long-lasting solution for severe dryness or seasonal skincare challenges, offering reliable nourishment for natural skincare enthusiasts.
Taking our fourth spot is Andalou Naturals 1000 Roses. The Andalou Naturals 1000 Roses cream is a gentle natural moisturizer designed for sensitive or mature skin. It hydrates, soothes, and protects against redness while promoting softness and radiance. Its lightweight formula is enriched with natural botanicals and antioxidants, making it suitable for daily use on all skin types, particularly sensitive and dry skin. Key features. This cream contains fruit stem cells, hyaluronic acid, and rosehip oil to deeply hydrate, smooth, and repair the skin. Chamomile and aloe vera soothe irritation, while antioxidants protect against environmental damage. The formula is vegan, cruelty-free, and free of synthetic fragrances, dyes, and parabens, making it safe and gentle for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage. Andalou Naturals 1000 Roses Cream restores hydration, reduces dryness, and enhances skin comfort. Applied to cleansed face and neck daily, morning and night. It promotes a soft, supple texture, diminishes redness, and supports skin elasticity over time, resulting in a balanced, luminous complexion with consistent use. Usability. Its light, silky texture spreads easily and absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. It can be layered with serums or sunscreens and works well under makeup. The subtle floral scent adds a sensory experience without overwhelming the senses, and its tube packaging ensures hygienic application. Durability. A single tube lasts several months with daily use. Its stable, plant-based formulation ensures consistent hydration and protection. Over time, users report smoother, more resilient, and visibly healthier skin, making it a dependable choice for natural, sensitive skincare routines.
And finally, at number 5, we have the Juice Beauty Oil-Free Moisturizer. The Juice Beauty Oil-Free Moisturizer is a lightweight, natural moisturizer designed to hydrate without clogging pores or leaving a greasy feel. It's ideal for normal, combination, or slightly oily skin types looking for clean, plant-based hydration that supports skin health while controlling shine. Key ingredients include aloe vera, shea butter, and certified organic fruit juices, which provide hydration, vitamins, and antioxidants. The formula is free of parabens, sulfates, synthetic fragrances, and petroleum, making it safe for sensitive or acne-prone skin. Its oil-free composition ensures lightweight hydration without overloading the skin. Usage: apply a small amount to cleansed face and neck morning and night. It delivers hydration, improves skin texture, and supports elasticity without clogging pores, while daily use provides soft, smooth, and balanced skin while protecting against environmental stressors. It's particularly effective under makeup or sunscreen due to its non-greasy finish. Usability. The lightweight, gel cream texture spreads easily and absorbs quickly, making it ideal for daily routines. Its fresh, natural scent enhances usability without being overpowering. The pump dispenser ensures hygienic application and precise control, making it convenient for consistent use. Durability. A small pump per use is sufficient, ensuring the bottle lasts several months. Its natural, stable formula maintains effectiveness over time, providing consistent hydration and nourishment. With regular use, skin feels soft, comfortable, and revitalized, making it a long-term solution for natural daily moisturization. And that concludes our list of the best natural face moisturizers that nourish, hydrate, and protect your skin without harsh chemicals. From Burt's Bees Daily Moisturizer to Juice Beauty's oil-free formula, each of these number 5 products delivers natural, effective care for soft, radiant, and healthy skin. Remember, consistent use and choosing the right moisturizer for your skin type are key to lasting results. Incorporate one of these natural options into your routine and let your skin flourish with balanced hydration and glowing vitality every day.